By looking at the ingredients, can you guess what's this? Well, we're going to make japchae for lunch. Gagawa tayo ngayon ng Korean noodles for lunch. Ito yung sweet potato noodles. Mamaya lalagyan natin ito ng sesame oil. And then, spinach, onion, garlic, chop. Sesame seeds, carrots, bell pepper. Hindi ko na nilagyan ng green kasi may green na ako. Mushroom. And then yung beef na meat. Fried egg, by the way. We're gonna fry egg later, which is, I think wala kaming eggs. Too bad. Yun lang, and then we're gonna start cooking. Okay, ito na siya. Garlic. Ba't para akong galit doon? Garlic. Sesame oil. Paminta. Sesame seeds. Light sauce, by the way. And ito na yung ito na blanch, ito rin blanch. Tapos na-squeeze na yung tubig niya. Ito na stir fry siya with the sesame oil para mabango. Okay, so right now we're gonna mix the whole thing. Since meron pa tayong luma, so ito na munang gamitin natin. Yan. Wow! Magdadagdag pa ako. Kasi masarap to. Talaga na ka to. Yun. And then, our paminta. Ang lasa should be medyo maangha-anghang ng konti. Pumapasok sa ilong, nakakabahin. That was the garlic. So now, mainit. So mainit. Yan na siya. Sesame seeds. Sesame oil. Yan ang magpapadulas doon sa noodles and at the same time magpapa-shiny. At para hindi rin siya anong tawag doon? Magkandalagkit-lagkit. Tama ba yun? Magkadikit-dikit. We use the spatula kasi ang init. Ingat natin. Ganyan siya. So mainit. Mainit yung karne. Yung onions at saka yung bell pepper. Ay, shucks. Okay, yum yum. Yum yum.
Tayo mabisina ko.